Today we will discuss another important country, Pakistan, which makes news, which takes a lot of news space of India. So we will, without wasting time, we will look at some of the important things related to Pakistan because of number of regions, striking down Article 370 and Balakot strike, Uri terror attack. It has been a news. So possibly UPSC can ask. It has already asked in past. So without wasting time, let's discuss. So first of know, what are the major provinces of Pakistan? Okay, so we will start with the provinces. Pakistan has basically four provinces. One is called Punjab province, then which borders with India, then Sindh province, and also Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So these three provinces of Pakistan borders with India, and one is Baluchistan, which doesn't border with India. And let's look their capital. Lahore is the capital of Punjab. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's capital is Peshawar, which is also the cultural city, and Sindh capital is Karachi, which is the commercial city of the Pakistan, and Baluchistan capital is Quetta. I have discussed Peshawar is connected to the Kabul of Afghanistan. I had already discussed in previous hour lecture related to Afghanistan. Okay, but you have to look it in direction. Okay, if somebody will go to Afghanistan via India, how the important city of Pakistan will come. So let's look that. So first city that will come is Lahore. Okay, then okay, of course the capital city is Islamabad will come. Here is also Rawalpindi is located just near, it is just near Islamabad, south west of Islamabad, Rawalpindi, which is the military headquarter. You don't need to remember the military headquarter of every country, but the country where democracy has not taken deep root, you have to remember, like in Afghanistan, there is also military headquarters. So when we will discuss Afghanistan, sorry, Myanmar had been also under military rule for a long period of time. So when we will discuss Myanmar, we will also look their military center. So Rawalpindi, you have to remember, it is near Islamabad. Okay, but first first city that come is Lahore, then Islamabad, and then look, many will think that Karachi will come. No, which city is coming? Peshawar is coming. Okay, so you have to be careful. And Multan is somewhere in between these. This is second largest city of Punjab province of Pakistan, Multan. Actually, it is a Faisalabad, but it is also very important because of news. It is also one of the cultural city, a sports city, Multan. Multan Sultan, can you name which Indian player is called Sultan of Multan? Of course, Biren Sehwag, who hit third century here. His first triple century. Okay, scored more than 300 runs. Peshawar, and then comes Karachi, and then Quetta. So you have to remember this way. So first city that comes is Lahore, then Islamabad, then Peshawar, then Karachi, and then Quetta. Okay, so we finished important political aspect of the Pakistan. Let's see some of the physical aspect of Pakistan. Okay, see, there is a mountain. Okay, there is a mountain here that is called Pamir Knot. Okay, and here number of Himalaya runs this way. Kulun Shah is another mountain which runs through China, and which makes Kulun Shah mountain makes border between Xinjiang province and Tibet province. And then there is another mountain, Hindu Kush mountain. Okay, which runs and fans out in Afghanistan. Okay, and this sorry, Hindu Kush mountain, yes, Hindu Kush mountain, and one of the limb of Hindu Kush mountain also falls in Pakistan and makes Safed Koh range. Okay, Safed Koh range. If a specifically question will be asked, the famous Khyber Pass is located in which mountain range, you have to answer it is Safed Koh mountain range. Okay, which is a part of Hindu Kush mountain range. Okay, which is a part of Hindu Kush mountain range. And then the extension which is a Suleiman mountain range, almost as shaped Okay, and then Suleiman mountain range, and then from here another mountain range that is also a very famous mountain range, that is a Kirthar range. Okay, so Kirthar, you have to remember three ranges: Suleiman range, Kirthar range, okay, Safed Ko. You no need to repeat Safed Ko, but just know, but Hindu Kush is important. So you have to remember Hindu Kush, Suleiman range, and Kirthar range. So these three ranges, Hindu Kush, Suleiman range, and Kirthar range, are called Pakistan ranges of Himalaya. So if question comes on what are the Pakistan ranges of Himalaya, you can answer easily any question. Let's see some of the other aspect. There here there is a some of the famous river you well known, that Indus flow. Okay, and there are tributaries of Indus. Okay, one is the Kabul is the tributary of Indus, which flow from Kabul to Peshawar through Khyber passes, which passes through Khyber passes. Okay, let me delete and make some so what we said, Pamir Knot somewhere, and here one mountain range, okay, which pans out in Hindu Kush, and one limb of Hindu Kush, that is a Safed Koh mountain. Okay, in Pakistan, Safed Koh, then Suleiman range, and then Kirthar range. Okay, this is Kirthar range, Suleiman range. Okay, and Hindu Kush. Just remember Hindu Kush, and river in Hindu Kush mountain or Safed Koh. This contain a pass, Khyber Pass, very famous Khyber Pass, connecting Kabul to Peshawar. Okay, and a river flow almost parallel Kabul river, which is what, which is a tributary of Indus river. And Kabul river, another river, that is Swat river, which also flow through the Khyber Pakhtun province of the Pakistan. Okay, Swat river, it is very beautiful river, very beautiful place. Okay, it has been in news because Swat Valley is located in which country, so you can easily say it is Pakistan. Then there is a another river which is also a tributary of Indus, and that is a Jhelum river, and one is the tributary of Jhelum, that is called Kishan Ganga, which in Pakistan, you know, this part is not under control of India, it is in Pakistan. So Kishan Ganga in Pakistan is also called as Neelam Valley. So Neelam river or Neelam Valley, and this Swat Valley is in which country? Neelam, okay, Pakistan. Kishan Ganga in India. So almost every important thing I had discussed. So thank you very much for listening it.